Hello and welcome to the Philippines. We're going to look at Premier Citi Suites today, very close to Mango Square area in Cebu City. It was actually the first hotel I stayed in when I first came in 2015 here in Cebu City. And you need to put the key card. Can I take a picture?
Yeah. And
all right.
When you open, just tap here the key card.
Oh yeah, just touch the key card to that there to open it. All right. All right, and you have, I remember you have a safe in there.
Yeah.
And lots of storage space, and more storage space over there.
Yeah.
And this is the deluxe. And you have two double-sized beds.
Double size.
I think I had a deluxe, but one of the beds was smaller because there was a big cement column in the middle.
Yeah, because it's have sofa.
Oh yeah, that's right. It had a sofa.
Yeah.
And you have cable television?
Yes.
All right. And of course, air conditioning. And the view out the window. And that is Baseline Residences there, right?
Yes.
That's the new Baseline.
Baseline.
And Horizon 101 over there. Okay. All right. And you have hot water in the CR?
Yeah.
Hot water? You have shower. Okay. So a nice shower in the CR area and closed. And yeah, there is hot water at the tap, right? And this is the video I took in August 2015 when I first moved in here. There's my big red bag that didn't have wheels on it. I had to lug through airports, and I probably don't want to do that again, but it has one smaller bed, one bigger bed, regular bed, and then it has the couch over there. So a different type of deluxe that you may get. I checked pricing online and on booking.com in April and May for a date, and came up about $38 US or about 1,900 pesos. Different times a year they run promotions. I'm pretty sure I paid about 1,300 or 1,400 when I came here in 2015. That's 1,300 or 1,400 pesos, Philippine pesos. And I believe this is the standard room, what they call a standard room. Everybody has different names for these things. But you got cable television, one bed, and a reasonable amount of space. You don't have the refrigerator in this room. And you do have an opening right out to the fire escape if you need to jump out there real quick. So that's convenient. Hopefully you don't have to use that. There was a couple reasons why I chose this originally when I first came here, when I knew nothing about Cebu City. Number one, the rate was pretty good. Secondly, it was in what I understood to be the uptown area. Mango Square, Fuente Osmenia Circle, I believe, is oftentimes called the uptown area versus the downtown area, Clone Street area. And it seemed like the place to start looking for a longer term rental. They also had a rooftop restaurant. So I was coming in about 7 in the morning, my flight, and just in case, and I presume my room wouldn't be available that early in the morning, I wanted someplace close to hang out. And they had the rooftop restaurant that I could leave my, they have a place downstairs. They will lock your luggage up in, and you can leave if you want, go shopping, or you can hang out at the restaurant. And I stayed there an hour or two, and my room was ready, available early, which was fortunate. I enjoyed coming up here in the morning, and breakfast was included in the price. And was my first experience having rice for breakfast. So I had egg and some sort of meat every day with breakfast, usually some fruit as well, but nice open air area. and it's all covered. So unless if it's raining and it's blowing, you might want to move a little further in. But there's the mountain view there, and very close to Fuente Osmenia Circle and Mango Square area. So it's not far to go to the two smaller Robinson's malls that are on Fuente Osmenia Circle. As luck would have it, as I went out and started searching the city, looking around, looking for more long-term places to live, my first taxi ride was a guy who didn't really understand very good English, and I told him I wanted to go back to Premier Citi Suites. And it's a good reason why you need to know the streets that your hotel is on, because there's like three different hotels, condos named something Citi Suites, and the driver kept repeating Citi Suites, Citi Suites, Citi Suites, and he took me to Citi Suites, which is on the other side, a couple kilometers from here probably. And I finally realized that he was lost and I was lost, so I got out and started walking. I probably walked 7 or 8 kilometers around in circles before I finally found this place again. Before you leave your hotel, condo, rental, whatever it is, be sure you know the address, the cross streets, something near there, so that you can be sure to tell the taxi driver there when you get lost. That is the new baseline residences. There's going to be a condotel and condos there. There's a Robinson supermarket that just opened on the other side, the lower level as well. All right, all right. All right, everybody say hello. Yeah. Hi. The happy staff. All right. And well fed too. And here's a map that shows you the location, very close to Fuente Osmenia Circle and Mango Square area. There are quite a few hotels up and down the side streets close to Mango Square, Fuente Osmenia Circle, going on down a couple of streets. This is one of them, and hope that information helped you a little bit. I spent part of the day wandering around and visiting a number of condos and hotels, and I'll be doing additional videos about that in the coming weeks. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.